Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Cybertech Systems and Software Limited Q3 Financial 21 results. We are going to discuss consolidated year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. Here amount in lakhs. First we will discuss year-on-year, later quarter-on-quarter. Cybertech Systems business is not related to seasonal. So we need to give importance for year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter. Year-on-year means we will compare December 2020 results with December 2019 results. Quarter-on-quarter means we will compare December 2020 results with September 2020 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 28.8 crores. This year 30.2 crores. Here 2 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Revenue was increased 4.9% year-on-year. Later, other income. Previous year 1.5 crores. This year 1.9 crores. Later, expenses. First one is cost of hardware software package. Previous year they spent 2.1 crore. This year 1.3 crores. Here approximately 60 crores were decreased. Here approximately 80 lakhs were decreased. This is positive sign. Later, employee benefit expense. It was increased from 16.5 crores to 18.8 crores. Here we need to check this employee benefit expense raised due to management salary or employee salary. Later, finance cost. Previous year they paid 8 lakhs, this year 6 lakhs. Here 2 lakhs was decreased, but they are paying only 6 lakhs as interest. That means they have zero debt. That is positive sign. Later, depreciation. Previous year 1.5 crores, this year 1.9 crore. Later, other expenses. Previous year 3.7 crores, this year 3.7 crores. We'll ignore it. What we observed based on revenue from operations and expenses. Revenue from operations increases from 28.8 crores to 30.2 crores. Here, employee benefit expense increases from 16.5 crores to 18.8 crore. Finance cost decreases from 8 lakhs to 6 crores. They have zero debt, that is positive sign. Now we'll see profit before tax. Previous year 6.3 crores. This year 6.2 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 1.5% year-on-year decreased. This is negative sign. Here it was decreased from 6.3 crores to 6.2 crores. Later, tax expense. Current tax. Previous year they spent 3 lakhs only for current tax. This year 2 crores 6 lakhs. Later, deferred tax. Previous year they paid 1.43 crores. This year 5 lakhs was credited to the company. Later, tax adjustment for earlier years. Previous year 10 lakhs was credited to the company, but this year 8 crores was credited to the company. This amount is bigger than profit before tax. We need to check for this amount. Here company got 8 crores as tax adjustments. We'll check the reason. We'll go down. Here fifth point. Tax expense for the quarter ended December 31st, 2020 in the consolidated and standalone financial results includes one-time write-back of 8 crores 9 lakhs arising out of the impact of settlement of past litigations under the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme. Due to this, there is an increase in basic EPS by 2.94 rupees and diluted EPS by 2.87 rupees for the quarter ended December 31st, 2020. What is this one? Here, company got 8 crores 9 lakhs, the impact of settlement of past litigations under the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme. Due to this one, company got 8 crores. We need to remember this point. Now, profit for the period. Previous year they got 5 crores. This year 12 crores 36 lakhs. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit after tax was increased 146% year-on-year. Why 146% increase means? If you observe profit before tax and profit after tax, profit before tax was decreased 1.5%, but profit after tax was increased 146%. due to one-time exceptional item. If you don't get this exceptional item, then Cybertech profit will be around 4 crores. Later, paid up equity share capital. Previous year 27.51 crores. This year 27.56 crores. Here, little bit increase, I think due to employee stock options. Later, earning per share. Previous year 1 rupee 82 paise. This year 4 rupees 49 paise. Here, earning per share was increased very high due to one-time exceptional item. Later, we'll check quarter on quarter. Revenue from operations. In September quarter, they got 27.3 crores. In December, 30.2 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 10.4% quarter on quarter increase. Later, profit before tax. Previous quarter, 5.3 crores. This quarter, 6.2 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 16.9% quarter on quarter increase. This is positive sign. Later, profit for the period. Previous quarter 3.75 crores. This quarter 12.36 crores due to one-time exceptional item. We'll check it in percentage. Here 229% quarter on quarter increased. What we observed based on this results is, here year on year revenue and profit before tax are flat, but profit after tax was increased 146% due to one-time exceptional item. Quarter on quarter revenue and profit before tax are good, and profit after tax was increased due to one-time exceptional item. Now we'll check valuation of Cybertech Systems. PE before results is 26.5. PE after result is 17.6. Here PE was decreased from 26 to 17. That means approximately 9. But we need to remember one point. Due to one-time exceptional item, here PE was reduced. Pros: good year on year and quarter on quarter results due to exceptional item. Second one is zero debt. Cons are overvalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 14.6. Current PE is 17.6. Due to one-time exceptional item, PE was reduced to 17.6. Due to that one, we are considering Cybertech is overvalued. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.